Close your eyes. Listen, the waves are breathing with us. Are you ready? Let your body move with the music softly, like a little butterfly. Stand tall, feet together, arms wide open like wings. Get ready to fly like a little bird. Inhale, stretch, stretch, stretch like a tall giraffe. Exhale, relax a little and smile. Let's become a little cat and a little cow. Place your hands and knees on the mat. Your back is a flat little table. Let's become a sleepy little puppy stretching. Place your hands on the mat and walk your feet back. Are you ready? Are you ready? We're going to become a strong little bridge. Place your hands on the mat and stretch your legs back, making your body long and straight. Lie down on your tummy, legs together and tops of your feet flat on the mat. Place your hands beside your chest. Get ready to become a friendly little snake. Let's become a brave little warrior. Step your feet wide apart, like standing on a strong bridge. Turn your right foot forward and stretch both arms out to the sides. Let's become a big, strong triangle. Step your feet wider than your shoulders. Turn your right foot forward and stretch your arms out like wings. Little yogis, let's become a steady little chair. Stand tall with your feet together, hands at your heart. Let's become a steady little tree. Stand tall with your feet together and take a deep breath. Imagine your feet growing roots deep into the earth. Now let's become a graceful little dancer. Take a deep breath and find your balance. Let's turn into a little butterfly. Sit down on your mat, bring the soles of your feet together, and draw them close to your body. hands on your knees and sit up tall. Sit cross-legged on your mat with a tall, straight back. Are you ready? We're going to paint a rainbow across the sky. The little butterfly has flown away, but it whispered next time it'll bring a secret move. Can you guess what it is?